So, to close out these last 3 days, let's put it all together. You and I haven't done experimental questions or experiments yet because I haven't been there to help you with labs, but we have done graphs, relationships, and predictions. This is the main scientific method we're going to use throughout the year. We'll start with some sort of experiment and experimental question to make a graph, to see a relationship, and use that mathematical relationship to make a prediction. So let's say I had something like, how do I make a fan cart accelerate fast? I could change the masses or change the type of fan, and in this case, I add additional mass to the cart to see what the acceleration does. The mass is the independent variable that causes a change in the acceleration, the dependent variable. I'd have some sort of control, like putting it on a flat surface, and keep the setting the same. I would use my data to make a graph, use the best fit line of that graph to make an equation. I would take my equation, and what's on the y-axis is acceleration, so y gets replaced with a. What's on the x-axis is mass, so x gets replaced with m. Once I have this equation, I can use it to calculate accelerations using the four-step method, or I can use it to make predictions using proportions, like if the force tripled, how much more would accelerate? 3 times faster. So that is the scientific method we're going to be using repeatedly in class. It means we're going to be doing a lot of labs. We're always going to be doing graphs, and then finally ending with math. And sometimes that can look a little intimidating for you. So, before you leave for the day, what I want you to do on the next Collaborate board is to put in what sort of resources you can use when you get stuck in physics. We're obviously not in breakout rooms, we're in physical teams now, but write down all the things you could possibly use. Note that we don't have a mandatory textbook, but if you would like one, I can give you one that is vaguely related to what we're doing. Right? So, once you're done with that, you are done for the day. Use your extra time to either work on homework A, work on homework B, or check the answer keys against your work. Awesome, guys. I hope you have a wonderful first few days at school. Bye!